आज हम देखेंगे प्रोडक्शन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन। ठीक है, का पहला क्वेश्चन, द एडवांटेज ऑफ हॉट वर्किंग इज विच इज ए नो स्ट्रेन हार्डनिंग। ठीक है, हॉट वर्किंग में क्या होता है, नो स्ट्रेन हार्डनिंग होता है। ठीक है, इन ए ब्लैंकिंग ऑपरेशन द क्लियरेंस इज प्रोवाइड ओनली ऑन पंच। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ब्लैंक डायमीटर एंड कप डायमीटर ड्यूरिंग डीप ड्राइंग प्रोसेस इज given as which is given d is equal to root d square plus 4ds। ठीक है, यहाँ पे d है ब्लैंक डायमीटर है और स्मॉल d कप डायमीटर है, h हाइट ऑफ द कप है। ठीक है, द फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड टू कट ए शीट मेटल इज गिवन बाय, तो कैसे किस तरीके से फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, आप करेंगे F इज इक्वल टू टाउ एस पी टी। ठीक है, यहाँ पे टाउ एस शेयर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द स्टील प्लेट है, पी पेरीमीटर ऑफ द कट है, थिकनेस ऑफ द स्टील मेटल है, तो सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट है। अब सेम फॉर्मूला यूज करके क्वेश्चन करते हैं। ठीक है, शियर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ शीट मेटल इज 300 मेगा पास्कल दे रखा हुआ है और ब्लैंकिंग फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रोड्यूस ए ब्लैंक ऑफ 100 mm डायमीटर। ठीक है, तो 100 mm डायमीटर शीट्स को आपको कट करना है, कितना फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड पड़ेगा। ठीक है, और 1.3 mm थिक आपका सीट है। ठीक है, अब देखिए, अब एफ इक्वल टू टाउ पाई डी इंटू टी। ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा 300 इंटू 3.14 इंटू 100 इंटू 1.5 में, हेंस इक्वल टू 141 के अप्रॉक्स आपकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एक्सप्लोजिव फॉर्मिंग विच बोथ डाई पार्ट मेल एंड फीमेल आर नीडेड इन द रोलिंग एंड द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू विच इज द, आपका फाइनल वेलोसिटी अधिक होता है किससे, रोलिंग वेलोसिटी से, फिर रोलिंग वेलोसिटी अधिक होती है इनिशियल वेलोसिटी से। इन डीप ड्राइंग द पोर्शन ऑफ द वर्क पीस अराउंड द कॉर्नर ऑफ द पंच एंड द डाया आर सब्जेक्टेड टू विच इज ए बेंडिंग। द फॉलोइंग ऑपरेशन कैन बी performed with the help of sieging dies which is the cupping. Steel balls are manufactured by which is manufactured cold heading. The mode of deformation of the metal during spinning is which is a bending and stretching. In order to get uniform thickness of plate, their rolling process is one provide which provide camber on the rolls. Tandem drawing of the wires or tube is necessary because which is a enameling is needed between stage. Out of the following defects, which one occur during extrusion, which is a center burst? What does the hydrostatic pressure in extension process improve, which is ductility? The cold forming process in which a hardened tool is pressed against a workplace when there is relative motion between the tool and the workpiece to produce roughened surface with a regular pattern is which is a curling. In turning operation, when a tool is set below the center of job, then effective rack angle, which is the decreases. Form tool is used in which is tooling taper turning. According to type of stress employed, which one of the following metal forming process is classified under combined tension and compression type, which is a deep drawing. In an expression die forming, which of the following is a function of flushing, which is the eliminates the need of subsequent machine operation. In dash process, refinement of crystals occur, which is the hot working. Which of the following properties increased by cold working, which is the fatigue strength? A material that can be drawn into wires under tension without breaking is said to have which is a ductility. Which one of the following is a continuous bending process in which opposing rolls are used to produce long section of form shape from coil or strip stock, which is a roll forming. Dash is the strengthening mechanism wherein material is made harder and stronger by plastic deforming work hardening. Next question देखते हैं. Which of the following forging operation is headling, which is a upsetting? Which among the following is a forging defect which occurs during upsetting process when faces of the stock become square, which is a bulking of stock? Which of the following is not a mode of application of force or crack propagation, which is a rolling mode? Which one of the following operations are performed when bottom swing and top fuller used together, which is a hauling? Which one of the following is not a forming operation, which is tapping? In forming like wire drawing operation, the work material should essentially be which is a ductile. Automobile connect rods are mass produced by which is the forging. Metal plates are made by which is made by rolling. The process of local sinking down of a stock by forging operation is called as which is setting down. Which of the following is not a extension process which is a inclined extension? Which of the following is not a metal forming process which is a casting? Which of the following associate with the basic metal forming process which is a double-edged cutting? The process of removing the burrs or flesh from a post component in drop forming is called, which is the correct answer is the C, which is a trimming. A disadvantage of hard working of metal is which is the surface finish obtained is poor. In which of the following process the ductility of material decrease which is cold working? Cold working is increase the fatigue strength. Cold working is the increase the hardness and the strength. Warm working or semi-hot working process which is a plastic deformation of metal or alloy under condition of temperature and strain rate is performed to eliminate drawbacks of which is a both cold and hot working process. Which of the following assumptions are correct? For cold rolling, first the metal is plastic. Their arc of contact is circular with a radius greater than the radius of roll. Coefficient of friction is constant over arc of the contact and act in one direction throughout the arc to contact. And first and second statement is correct. Consider the following step involved in hammer forging a connecting rod from her stock. Hence, सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, एजिंग करते हैं, फिर ब्लॉकिंग करते हैं, ठीक है, सॉरी, सबसे पहले फ्लरिंग करेंगे और देन आफ्टर एजिंग करेंगे, फिर ब्लॉकिंग करेंगे एंड फिनिशिंग एंड देन आफ्टर ट्रिमिंग. हेंस ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. Which of the following methods can be used to manufacturing 2 meter long seamless metallic tube? Drawing, extension, rolling, spinning. ठीक है, तो करेक्ट आंसर इज द बी, B1, which is the in the extension and the rolling is the correct answer. Next question. Hot die steel used for large solid dies in drop forging should necessarily have which is the high toughness and low thermal conductivity. The grain structure of the product can be controlled in which of the following process which are forging. In case of open die forging, if initial disc diameter D initial and final disc diameter D final, the true strain is given by 2 ln D final upon D initial. Which of the following is a process that is not hot working process which is embossing? Which of the following stresses or strength parameter used for the computation of rolling force which is the average flow stress? The L by D ratio for barrel of an extrusion machine range from 10 to 30. For an extrusion process in dash section melt is homogenized and significant pressure is developed to pump it through the die opening which is the metering. In metal forming process, increase the working temperature of metal generally lead to which is the decreased yield strength and increased ductility. Counter locking the die becomes a necessity of which in all drop forming die that have irregular patterning line. A three highly rolling mile consists of three rolls placed one above the other. Which of the following statement is correct? Which is the upper and bottom roll is rotate in the same direction whereas middle roll rotates in the opposite direction. Ductility of a material can define as which ability to undergo large permanent deformation in tension. In metal forming process, what is the primary mechanism behind superplastic forming, which is grain boundary sliding? Forging is done with when the metal is which is a plastic condition. Which vise is used for forging work, which is the leg vise? Hot forging is used for producing which is for crankshaft. In the forging process, what term describe a type of forging wherein the material is deformed in a closed die and the material completely fills the die cavity with a less forging? Which of the following lubricant is not usually used in hot extensive in meter percent with 0.60? Stamping is the process of which is a printing letter and numbers on metal sheet. Connecting rod are generally of the following form, which is a forged eye section. true sliding strain is the low carbon steel bar which is doubled in length by forging is। तो कैलकुलेशन ऐसे करेंगे। इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रेन डेल्टा एल पान एल, तो इनिशियल 2 एल था, फिर माइनस एल बाई एल, तो यहाँ से 1 आ जाएगा। ठीक है, ट्रू स्ट्रेन एल एन इक्वल टू 1 प्लस स्ट्रेन। ठीक है, ट्रू स्ट्रेन एल एन 1 प्लस 1 एल एन 2, 0.693, हेंस ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। डिटरमाइन द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल रिडक्शन फॉर कोल्ड रोलिंग ए 400 mm thick slab when coefficient of friction mu 0.07 and the roll diameter 500 mm which is 1.225 mm। ठीक है, कैसे डेल्टा एच इक्वल टू म्यू स्क्वायर बाई आर, यहाँ से आप कर लोगे कैलकुलेशन 1.225 mm। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज सिंगल कटिंग टूल विच इज द parting parting tool in the orthogonal cutting system? The chip thickness is which is maximum at the middle, the recommended average cutting speed is meter per minute of for a high speed steel tool for cutting brass which is a 90। ठीक है, the process used for making beer of watches is which is the stamping। in the generalized tool life equation vt f and d is equal to c, following is true for most of the cutting condition which 1 by n is greater than n1 upon n and which is greater than 2 upon n। The following component of total production cost does not depend upon cutting speed which is tool grinding cost। Machinability rate of SE 1212 steel is which is 100%। Poor surface finish and fast wear and tool is a characteristic of which a continuous chip with build-up edge। In the relation of the cutting tool life, BT is equal to C. The numerical value of N for high-speed steel tool varies in the range of which is 0.1 to 0.15। Serrated chips are formed when machining, which is the mills with low thermal conductivity, higher shear plane angle result in a smaller shear plane area, lower cutting energy, lower cutting temperature, hence all of the above। In machining operation, the most significant force is which is tangible. Good machinability result in which is low component cost। A blunt tool is used in which is used in spinning। The relationship between shear angle phi, Raker angle alpha and chip thickness ratio are expressed as which is none of the above, because tan alpha r cos alpha upon 1 minus r sin alpha। Ernst and Martin obtained a relationship between shear angle, friction angle and rack angle alpha relation which is 2 phi plus beta minus alpha equal to pi by 2। Which of the following is not a metal cutting operation which is shearing? Which of the following is a characteristic of ceramic material which is a hardness and brittleness? A V minimum equal to cutting speed of minimum cost and V max cutting speed of maximum production rate, then for efficient and economical production of workplace and the cutting speed V should be always selected given below, which is the correct one is the between V minimum and V maximum। The hardness of tool material increase in the order given below which is cast alloy, HSS, oxide and carbide। An orthogonal operation is carried out at 20 meter per minute cutting speed using a cutting tool of rack angle 15 degree, the chip thickness 0.4 mm and uncut thickness 0.2 mm। The chip velocity is, तो आपको पता है चिप वेलोसिटी v sin phi अपन cos phi माइनस अल्फा होता है। TC दिया 0.4 mm और T दिया 0.2 mm। चिप थिकनेस रेशियो T अपन TC आ जाएगा 0.5। फिर यहाँ से tan थीटा निकालने के लिए, ठीक है, आर कॉस अल्फा अपन 1 माइनस आर कॉस साइन अल्फा। ठीक है, यहाँ से आपका आ जाएगा 29.019 डिग्री। ठीक है, तो वी सी वी साइन फाई अपन कॉस फाई। ठीक है, ये आपका फाई है। ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपकी वैल्यू फाई है। ठीक, तो फाई की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दोगे और अल्फा की वैल्यू 15 दे रखा है, यहाँ से आ जाएगा 10 मीटर पर मिनट। ठीक है, ये आपका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। If the alpha of the rack angle of the cutting tool, then phi is the shear angle and the v is the cutting speed, then the speed of chip sliding along with shear angle is which is a v sin alpha और I think t होगा। ठीक, देख लेते हैं हम नीचे। ठीक है, v sin alpha cos alpha minus 5, सॉरी cos alpha minus 5, ये हो जाएगा आपका ए ऑप्शन। ठीक है, v sin alpha cos alpha minus 5। ठीक है, ठीक. The racking angle required for machining brass by high speed steel tool is which is a 0 degree. In the machining operation, chip is thickness ratio 0.3 and tool back rack angle is 10 degree. The value of shear strain is आपको होता है tan phi is equal to होता है r cos alpha upon 1 minus r sin alpha. ठीक है, आर दे रखा है, चिप्स थिकनेस रेशियो दे रखा है, ब्लैक रैकिंग एंगल दे रखा है, तो यहाँ पे वैल्यूज रखे फाई निकालोगे 17.27 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो हेंस आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. फिर शेयर स्ट्रेन कॉट 5 + tan phi - अल्फा, तो यहाँ शेयर स्ट्रेन है, वैल्यू रख के फाई का आपका आ जाए 3.34 आ जाएगा. डी ऑप्शन करेक्ट. ग्राइंडिंग ऑफ हार्ड मेटल रिक्वायर्स विच मेटल फाइन ग्रेड साइज एंड सॉफ्ट ग्रेड. Creator wear occurs mainly on which is occur on the face of the cutting tool at a short distance from the cutting edge only. ठीक है. To prolong the life of spare tools after they are ground, they should be undergone through the following operation which is lapping. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the continuous chip, which is the none of the above. In a tool life test, doubling the cutting speed reduce the tool life is 1/8 of the original value. That Taylor's tool life index is तो V1 T1 power n equal to C. तो ये V1 T1 पे power n equal to V2 T2 power n करके यहाँ से फिर आपको रिलेशन निकल जाएगा और फिर n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1/3. ठीक है, हेंस ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. The chip thickness ratio R is given by, अभी हमने देखा sin alpha अपन cos alpha minus cos phi minus alpha. The main function of cutting fluid is to which is a cool the tool and workplace. A twist drill is specified by the strung material and which is a diameter. Size of planer is specified by stroke length. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. ठीक है, the difference between planer and shaper is then it is a planer tool is stationary and job reciprocating. Poor surface finish result due to which a poor speed. Okay. Gear hobbing process is faster than mining because which is the several teeth are cut at a time. Next, the relationship between tool life T and the cutting speed V is expressed as which is a Vt and per C. Carbide tools wear out faster as which is slow speed. Calculation of metal cutting time depends on the correct selection of the values for which is all of the above. Feed rate, cutting speed, depth of cut. Best all purpose coolant of the carbide tool which is for soluble oil. The tool life is said to be over if which is a poor surface finish is obtained, sudden increase in power and cutting force will shattering takes place, overheating and fuming due to friction start, hence all of the above. Optimum rack angle of function of which is a property of work material. Which of the following tool material has the highest cutting speed, which is a carbide. Shear angle is angle between shear plane and job surface. Machinability of tend to decrease with which is an increase in strain hardening tendency. अब देखते हैं कि हम मैच द फॉलोइंग डिस्प्लेसिंग मेटल अवे फ्रॉम द मिडिल विच इज अ फ्लोरिंग आई थिंक. ठीक है, ए का थर्ड. ठीक है, एंड द डिस्प्लेसिंग मेटल टुवर्ड्स द मिडिल विच इज अ ड्राइंग. ठीक है, सॉरी, ड्राइंग विच इज द एजिंग. Reducing the thickness of continuously a different section along the length which is drawing and pressing workplace between two flat dies is a flat ring. Hence option C is correct. Negative rack is usually provided on which is a cemented carbide tool. For machining of tungsten carbide by ultrasonic machining which abrasive is used for maximum machining rate which is aluminum oxide. The ability of material to resist softening at high temperature is known as which is hot hardness. ठीक है, next. Among the following ceramic which one has the highest hardness which is aluminum oxide. Ceramic tool it is produced by straightening process. Or second is are highly brittle, have not hardness up to 1400 degrees centigrade, and all the statement is correct. Most machinable metal is one of which permit maximum metal removal per tool grind. The factor responsible for the formation of continuous chip with build-up edges, which is a low cutting speed and small rack angle. The relation between cutting tool life t in the minutes and cutting speed v in minute meter per minute, which is the vt की power n equal to c. In machining, use abrasive material increasing grain size, which is correct answer is the T, which is the first increase and then decrease material removal rate. In metal, machining, the work piece when contact zone is where heat is generated due to which is a friction between the moving chip and the tool face. Flank wear occurs mainly on which is nose part of the cutting tool, front relief face and side relief face on the cutting tool. Face of the cutting tool at the shortest distance from the cutting edge. Hence, 1 and 2 statement is correct. During chipping of the sum of rack angle phi, edging angle beta and the clearance angle phi is equal to which is phi by 2. The following are machinability criteria: tool life, cutting force, surface finish. Hence, all of these statement is correct. The ratio of thrust force is cutting force is nearly 2.5 in case of grinding. The orthogonal machining T is equal to undeformed chip thickness TC thickness, and the phi is the shear angle. Then length of the shear plane is equal to which is a T by sine phi. Next देखते हैं. Arrange the following material in order to increase machinability: low carbon steel, stainless steel, magnesium alloy, aluminum alloy. Hence, all the statement is first low carbon steel, then stainless steel, and then magnesium alloy, then aluminum alloy. Next देखते हैं. The extent of primary zone of deformation in continuous chip depend on racking angle of tool, cutting speed, or friction on rack force. Hence, correct answer is all the statement is correct. Machining center is which is a group of automatic machines tool. Next question देखते हैं. The thickness of the layer of material being removed by cutting tool in the direction of the feed motion is equal to which is a f sine theta. The work is the stationary and the tool reciprocate in case of which is a shaper. Using Taylor's tool life equation with exponent n equal to 0.5, if cutting speed is reduced by 50%, the ratio of new tool life is original tool is which is the 4. ठीक है. कैसे निकालें? v1 इक्वल टू वी दिया हुआ, v2 इक्वल टू 1/2v. ठीक है. तो v tn इक्वल टू c, तो v1 अपन v2 इक्वल टू पावर t2 अपन t1 का होल पावर n. ठीक है. यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू 0.5 रखेंगे और v1 की वैल्यू v और v2 की वैल्यू 1/2v. फिर यहाँ से v कट जाएगा और यहाँ से आपका 2 ऊपर चला गया, 2 का स्क्वायर यानी 40 बना गया. ठीक. Which of following is not a gear finishing process, which is a gear hobbing? In the Taylor's tool life equation, v tn equal to c, the constant n and c depends upon which depend workpiece material and tool material. A standard ground drill has a point angle of which is a 180 degree. In metal cutting, shear angle in the angle between shear plane and job surface. Next question देखते हैं. In merchant analysis, in metal cutting, assume that which is the deformation zone is a shear zone. In machining process, the percentage of total heat generated in shear action is carried away by the chip to extent of which is 80%. The orthogonal cutting operation is being carried out under the following condition: cutting speed 2 meter per second, depth of cut 0.5 mm, chip thickness 0.6 mm, what is the chip velocity? ठीक है. तो R इक्वल टू होता है T अपन TC इक्वल टू VC अपन V. ठीक है. T अपन TC इक्वल टू VC अपन T, VC अपन C डिवाइड बाय V. ठीक है. तो 0.5 T की वैल्यू, TC की वैल्यू 0.6, VC की वैल्यू नहीं दी हुई और V की वैल्यू 2 दी है. तो यहाँ से VC 1.66 मीटर पर सेकेंड आ जाएगा, जो कि ऑप्शन डी है. A low helix angle drill are used for drilling holes in which is in plastic. If the speed of machining a combined cemented carbide and steel tool is halved, then the tool life change by assume Taylor's exponent 0.25 for single point turning operation, which is कैसे निकालेंगे? तो v1 upon v2 इक्वल टू t2 upon t1 की पावर m दिया होता है, m दिया 0.25 और V2 गया 0.5B, ठीक है। तो यहाँ से T2 16 टाइम हो जाएगा T1 के, ठीक है। A good machinability rating could indicate the long life, long tool life, low power requirement, and a good surface finish. The machine tool guide way are usually hardened by, which is a flame hardening. The main cutting force acting on a tool during a turning operation of metal is 400 Newton. The turning was performed using 2 mm depth of cut and 0.1 mm per revolution feed rate. The specific cutting pressure is, तो एफ सी दिया हुआ 400 न्यूटन, ठीक है। तो पी इज इक्वल टू एफ सी अपन एफ डी, तो आपको एफ दिया हुआ 0.1, डी दिया 2000 न्यूटन पर एम एम स्क्वायर, ठीक है। हेंस ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। Grinding ratio is defined as which is defined volume of material removed from workplace upon volume of wheel wear. The merchant shear, ठीक है। हाँ, द मर्चेंट शेयर एंगल रिलेशनशिप इज गिवन बाय द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन, ठीक है। तो आपको पता है फाई इक्वल टू पाई बाई 4 माइनस 1 बाई बीटा माइनस अल्फा। इन टेलर्स टूल लाइफ इक्वेशन वी टी की पावर एन इक्वल टू सी कांस्टेंट एन एंड सी डिपेंड्स अपॉन वर्क पीस मटेरियल टूल मटेरियल फीड। तो इनमें से ओनली 1 एंड 2 पे वर्क पीस मटेरियल टूल मटेरियल पे ही डिपेंड करता है। The primary texture on surface result due to which is a normal action of the tool in production process. Continuous chips will be formed when machine speed is high. The tool signature compromises which is the 7 element. A cutting tool having a tool signature of 10, 10, 6, 6, 8, 8, 2 will a back rack angle of which is the 10 degree. Binding material is cemented carbide tool is which is a cobalt. The preferred option for holding an odd-shaped work piece in a center lathe is which is the 4-jaw chunk. Feed rate in slab milling operation is equal to which is a product of RPM feed per tooth and the number of teeth in the cutter. A hole of 1 mm to be drilled in glass, it could be best done by which is done by ultrasonic drilling. Which of the following process employ a single point cutting tool which is the shaping? In order of grind soft material which is a coarse grinding wheel is used. Which of the following is a correct relation of material removal rate of milling? L length of the cut, W width of the cut, D depth of cut, T cutting time, F feet per tooth, P feed rate. Hence RR equal to L into W into T by T. Changing the shape of grinding wheel as a become worn out from original shape due to working is known as which is a tearing. In surface grinding machines, which factor most significantly affect the surface finish of the workpiece, which is the grain size of the grinding wheel. For machining a cast on a lathe, it should be held in which is held in 4-jaw chunk. Which one of the lathe part mentioned below is not provided with a power feed, which is a compound rest, the process in which work is provided with the cutting motion, whereas feed is given in the tool, which is a planing. Feeding of the job in case of shaping machine is done at which the end of the return stroke. Which of the following process is used to produce geometrically true surface, which is the lapping? The power is transmitted by lead screw to the carriage through which is a half nut. A bracing machine is used when dash is needed, which is a finishing. Which brass alloy is suitable for high-speed machining, which is a leaded brass? While machining steel, the machinability decrease with which of the following statements increase the carbon content? Indexing of the job is a milling machine is achieved through, which is achieved through, correct answer is the dividing head. Which of the following processes included in finish, which is a polishing and lapping? Which of the following is not a part of planer machine, which is a satellite? In which machining process does a rotary cutter with several cutting edge arranged on the cutter play a key role, which is a milling? The designation of grinding wheel is given by 15A 30L 5B 20, hence 5 represent the structure. Which of the following standard taper is provided in the tail stock barrel, which is the Marceau taper? Which of the following screw is used for lead screw of lathe machine, which is a trapezoidal thread? In milling the lathe machine, the term DRO indicate which is the digital read out. Which of the following is not the cutter holding device used in milling machine, which is a vices? In a horizontal boring machine, the motion of the workpiece and that of tool is respectively which is stationary and rotation and translation. In a planar, tool is held rigid and job reciprocates. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. द मशीनिंग time for drilling process is calculated by a length of axial travel in mm n equal to rpm of the drill a feet per revolution in mm, hence t equal to l upon n into f. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. What is the term used to indicate the size of the abrasive grain in the grinding wheel, which is the grid? Angle between the shear plane and work surface is known as which is shear angle. Which of the following chunk of electrically operated, which is the magnetic chunk? The main purpose of tool stock, which is the support of one end of the job when being machining. Tool post is used to hold the tool. Casing operation is mainly performed to which is the finishing the end of the job. To create believing at the extreme end of the job, dash operation is performed with chamfering. The spindling spread ranging the radial is about which is 20 to 1600 rpm. A drill chunk is which is a gripping device. Application of conventional cutting fluid is high-speed machining and grinding may cause which is the health hazard, environmental pollution, damage of some machine parts, and all of the above. Dividing head has a index plate fitted directly on the spindle, which is direct indexing. Solid types of milling cutter are made of which is HSS. Diamond wheel is not used to grind, which is the high-speed steel. Loose abrasive are used in which is used in all of the surface grinding, honing, and lapping. During grinding, maximum heat is absorbed by the which is absorbed by workpiece. Which of the following is a column and knee type mining machine, which is a horizontal milling machines? CBN wheels are preferable used to grind the product made of which is a hard steel. Here, the correct way to specify grinding tool is which is a K60, K5 and B. अब बाकी का हम पार्ट 2 में कवर करेंगे. ठीक है, यहाँ से हम पार्ट 2 में कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.